Hello my dear students. So இப்போ வந்து இந்த ஒரு டைம்ல இந்த ஒரு வீடியோக்கு ரொம்ப ரெலவன்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஏன்னா வந்து students are still confused like it is easy, tough. இந்த எக்ஸாம் வந்து போஸ்ட்போன் பண்ணுமா இல்ல இது வந்து கேன்சல் பண்ணுமா அந்த மாதிரி lots of confusions are there. So இதுக்கு எல்லாமே வந்து இருக்கிற ஒரு ஆன்சர் தான் இன்னைக்கு வந்து இன்னைக்கு இருக்கிற இந்த ஒரு செஷன். So இப்போ வந்து இந்த Re-NEET, I'm not talking about 2025ல என்னாச்சு 2024ல என்னாச்சு அந்த மாதிரி I'm not going for any kind of analysis. What I'm going to do is last few years ல இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தேன்னா நம்ம 2015 24ல எல்லாமே வந்து இந்த எக்ஸாம் Re-NEET was happened, not completely but definitely it was happened for a small a set of people and all, but let me just be very frank about this. So actually வந்து சொல்லிட்டேனா நம்ம எக்ஸாம் the exam was happened, அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த Re-NEET happened years ல the number of easy level questions வந்து reduce ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, and that is also not going to be that much. இப்போ வந்து 30 questions easy-ஆ இருந்துச்சுனா definitely இந்த வாட்டி நம்ம Re-NEET examல it will be coming around 20 let us say 25 26 questions வந்து easy ஆகும், which means there will be a kind of 10 to 20% difficult ஆகிறதுக்கு chance இருக்கு. And don't think like நீ 2025 மாதிரி அந்த அளவுக்கு ஓகே நம்ம JEE means level மாதிரி இல்ல அது விட டஃபா இருக்கிற ஒரு எக்ஸாம் வந்து இந்த வாட்டி we are not expecting. So actually when it comes to okay the NEET exam is already conducted, this is the time for Re-NEET. So last years when the years which we have conducted, NTA has conducted Re-NEET, so actually சொல்லும்போது almost 20% of difficulty level has increased. இப்போ வந்து இந்த 2026 நம்ம May 3rd exam கூட பார்த்தேனா you can clearly, it is clearly visible that actually the exam was little like easy to moderate, lengthy that it was lengthy, but I could say that it was easy to moderate question paper da. So definitely when it comes to Re-NEET, it will become moderate level questions, or let's say moderate to difficult level, but still I'm telling you it is not going to be that tough. Nama 2025 madri it is not going to be that difficult, but definitely nama last exam vida 20% difficulty level will definitely increase. The number of easy questions it is going to reduce, but this is not the time to think about all those things. I just wanted to make sure okay ipo students எல்லாமே வந்து they are thinking about this thing only. Oh my god, exam வந்து easy-ஆ tough-ஆ moderate-ஆ, how I need to prepare. Just focus on what you're doing. Okay, இப்போ வந்து last 15 days da, don't try to study anything new. So go for the revision, go for the PYQ practice and everything. That only will help you. இப்போ வந்து exam easy-ஆ இருந்தாலும் moderate-ஆ இருந்தாலும் the thing is like you should understand one important fact about it. The cutoff will vary. So actually வந்து நம்ம expected cutoff நம்ம NEET examல நம்ம May 3rd-க்கு exam happened illa, so adula vandu expected cutoff vandu 620 plus armichu. So when it comes to here it will be coming around 600 to 610 in the oru range la da vara porum. So don't expect like too easy question paper and too difficult question paper. If it is coming in the moderate level question paper, I'm telling you ipo vandu in the May 3rd exam vida you will become very happy because a cutoff will also reduce and you got some little bit more time for the preparation. Adanal unga preparation kuda konjam better இருந்துச்சு. So definitely this is going to this is going to be a good or let's say it's a golden opportunity. In all sense it is going to be a golden opportunity for us. So this is the thing, don't try to study high difficult level questions at this point. Try to finish easy questions, adukapram go for some moderate level questions. Then also if you get some time now you just go for the tough questions. But as a teacher I will suggest you in the 15 days stick with what you have studied and don't go for anything new, don't go for advanced level questions. Just make sure எனக்கு வந்து I studied this much, இது வந்து secure பண்ற ஒரு time தான் இந்த 15 days. So please do try to study in a way that okay I am preparing for a moderate to difficult level question paper. எனக்கு வந்து I am expecting this much of mark, எனக்கு வந்து 600 கிடைக்கணும் இல்லனா 610 கிடைக்கணும் அப்படினா how much mark I need to get in an individual subject and how I should prepare. இதுதான் வந்து நீங்க வந்து you have to focus. So I hope everything is clear, and edachum oru confusion irundiruchna you can just better ask us through the comment box. Definitely I'll give you reply, and also you can see here last few days la proper guidance ellame kadachuna definitely it is going to be very useful. So adanala nama Re-NEET Tamil Nadu students kaga we have done Re-NEET free crash course, zero price la da nama description box la first link da free Re-NEET crash course oda link. So adula vandu click pannitena you can see physics chemistry classes, டெஸ்ட் இருக்கு, 24x7 டவுட் சால்விங் இருக்கு. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ நம்ம செகண்ட் லிங்க் பார்த்தேன்னா அது வந்து நம்ம ஆல் இந்தியா டெஸ்ட் சீரீஸ் தான். 549 rupeesக்கு you are going to get the best quality book. 2500 questions will be there. So last minute most probable question practice is very important. So guys, please do try to get that book directly at the Amazon link la tha connect pannum. So definitely you can go for it, you can track it and you can just get it as soon as possible. So thank you guys, all the very best.